Hello there everyone. It's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Today's video is an unboxing of a company called Yume Twins. So I will show you guys what is in this box. I will talk a little bit about them and we shall have some fun. But this box is super duper cute. It's got like sprinkles on the front, and then on the sides it's got little kitties and clouds and cotton candy and kawaii and just super cute little things right there. Now let's get into this. So upon opening, that is adorable, it says konnichiwa, spread the kawaii love, post and tag hashtag YumiTwins. So the first thing that is in here is a booklet, and it goes over what is in the box. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first thing we have here, when I open up the box that is looking right at me, which is super adorable, is this little bunny hat. So moving bunny ears hat. The perfect item for all the party animals out there. These magic moving bunny ears hat are seen all over the streets of Tokyo's famous fashion district, Harajuku. Simply press the paws and the ears of the hat will move. The hat comes in pink or white. Which color did you get? Oh my god, that is adorable. Oh my god, I hope this works and it doesn't need like batteries right now. I'm gonna mess up my hair, but I don't care. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Okay, screw my hair. Screw it. I'm taking my hair out. My hair is a mess right now because I was gonna go have a bath, but oh well. I need to put this hat on. This needs to happen. Okay. I hope it fits. Oh my goodness, of course it fits. This is delightful. Okay. Oh my god. So it's got little air pumps inside the ears, and you can make your ears wiggle. Oh my god, this is adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ah! Oh my goodness, I freaking love this hat. This is delightful. Oh my goodness. I hope I have a little girl, because then she can wear this and have so much fun. Oh my god, this is freaking cute. Okay, I have to move on to the next thing. So the next thing, I have a bowl right here. Sparkly kawaii bowl. This sparkly kawaii bowl will surely dazzle your party guests. This can be used to serve snacks or used as a dish for any of your miscellaneous items. There are 6 different variations of the bowl with friends from Hello Kitty, My Melody, Sumiko Gurashi, and Doraemon. Which bowl did you get? I got the pink one. Got these cute little characters from the show on here. That is adorable. I want to use that as like a cereal bowl. Next I have, oh there it is, Sakura kitchen set. So I have this little container here, little storage container, and as much as we love to host a good old get-together, the cleanup afterwards is just as important. This adorable set comes with 2 sponges. Oh, there it is. This adorable set comes with 2 sponges in the shape of a gorgeous Japanese cherry blossom, as you can see here. And a Sakura container to store leftovers from that killer party you threw. Leave it to Japan to make everyday useful items absolutely kawaii. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. Look at them, they're so freaking cute, but I still I can't get over this hat. This hat is just, it's amazing. Okay, next we have this little dude. So this is glitter character keychain. So what's a party without a little glitter? In this month's box, you will find a variation of this glitter character keychain. You could either get a character from Sanrio, Sumiko, Garashi, Daramon, or Crayon Sinichan. Each keychain has sparkling glitter inside that glistens whenever tilted. Let's take a look. Okay, so it's got the glitter inside, and when you move it around, the glitter kind of just falls around inside of it. That is super duper cute. A little character on there. Next we have a coaster. Aww, Sumiko Garashi coaster. Set down your drinks in style. Not only can these be used as regular coasters, but they are so adorable that they can be used as decoration as well. There are 4 different characters you can get on these coasters. You can either get Shirokuma, Penguin, Nico, or Tonkatsu. Which one did you get? I don't know because I can't read that language, sorry. I don't know which one I got, but I got this cute, super adorable little dude right here. Next I have, let me get back to the info page. Next I have a letter set. So this little guy right here. Time to send out some party invites. Ditch those plain envelopes for this adorable Sanrio letter set. Each letter set includes 12 stationery, 6 envelopes, and 1 sticker. There are 7 different designs of the letter set. Which character did you get? That's adorable. Look at all those little characters on it. They're super freaking cute. My goodness. So this is the KAWAII monthly box from Japan with love. So this is their premium box, I do believe, and everything in this is super freaking cute. I am absolutely obsessed with this hat. It is delightful, and I need to wear it every single day of my life. Like, that is amazing. I am never gonna get over this hat. If you guys have heard of this or you haven't heard of this, let me know in the comments down below. I really hope you guys did enjoy watching this unboxing and try on of the YumiTwins monthly KAWAII box. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm gonna wait for my ears. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, 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 bye.